Hello students, I am Dinesh Jain and today we are going to discuss about the solutions of AIPMT Mains 2011. I am discussing about the question number 16. This question is about the circuit. In this question, potential of a point A is provided, that is 0, and is asking for the potential of position B. So the given circuit is, question number 16 is this one. The given circuit is this point is given A, this point is named as C, this is B, and of course this point is provided B. This current is provided 1 ampere here, and here it is R2 resistance, here it is R1 resistance, this battery is 2 volt, and this resistance not value is not there, and this is 1 volt. This is the situation, and here current is provided 2 ampere. This is given circuit, and this resistance is also 2 ohm. This circuit is provided to us, and potential of point A is provided 0 and is asking the potential of point B. Definitely for this we should use Kirchhoff's law, and in this question KCL and KVL both are used. First of all, we should use KCL for distribution of current. Check it here. Here current is 2 ampere. So 2 ampere current is flowing in this way. Here the current is going in this track, that is 1 ampere. So remaining 1 ampere current is flowing through this track in this way. And if current is in this way, then this plus and this is minus. Here current is moving in this way, so it should be plus and minus. Here 1 ampere plus minus ये हो जाएगा. In this way current is there. 1 ampere and this 1 ampere both are making 2 ampere again, and then in this way the current is flowing in the circuit. Now we all know that for making the potential difference between 2 points, KVL is the best. So we are going to apply KVL from point A to point B, and for this we are using the path ACDB. This path is used because if we are using path this one, ACB path, then there is a problem. The resistance value is not provided. If resistance is not provided, then we cannot calculate the voltage drop of this location. Here in this way, if we are using this path ADB, then R1, R2 are not provided, so we cannot calculate the value of, we cannot calculate the potential drop across these resistance. So the only path we have to use is, that is ACDB. So by KVL along ACDB, what we have? Potential of initial point here plus 1 volt, in this way plus 1 into 2 minus 2, that is equals to VB. Definitely cancel out, and VA is provided 0. 0 plus 1, that is VB. So finally VB, that is going to be plus 1 volt. So this is the answer. So VB should be plus 1 volt. So option first is correct. Option 1. Answer should be first option. Thank you.